This is an overview of Event Summary extension for Google Calendar, and in this video I want to show you some basic features to work with this extension and why it's useful. So to start with, let's create an event, and you won't see any information, any additional summary statistic for such events because this is a future event. So let's move it somewhere earlier, and for such events you'll see the statistic appearing at the top, and it shows you the name of the event that were happening during this day, that was happening, and also a combined duration of such events. So if you have several instances, you'll see it updated in real time. So if we have several types of events, like we were reading as well, and also let's say we were eating, right? Maybe we want to keep track of our eating habits, and maybe we were eating 2 times, and also we were sleeping. This is our day. Let's make some of them longer, or maybe we're doing a job right now. And if we have such events that's not yet completed, it will only include a part of the event that in the past. It won't include a future part. So if we have several events, you see this number appearing here, and it will show you the summary, the total summary of planned events during this day. And maybe we want to exclude some events like sleeping. We don't want to keep track of it. We don't want it to sum up to actually increase this number over here. So we are searching for sleep events. This is our sleep event, and we can disable it by clicking on close button. And as a result, we have our combined duration reduced, and also it will be showed as a disabled event. So we can enable it by clicking one more time, and this will return us to previous state. So let's actually disable it and move on to a week view, because what we have seen on day view is also applied to a week view. We have 2 kinds of summaries here: a summary for a week and a summary for a day, and they're similar right now because we only have events for a single day. To fix that, let's add several more events during different days. Like so. Let's add several more of them. And as you can see, I can type different versions of a word, and it will end up being a single event. So here is our week till Thursday, and as you can see at the top here, we have combined duration and all the events available, and also a disabled event. And here we have a summary for each individual day with its own combined duration, and these numbers sums up to combined duration of planned events for the whole week. So another cool feature is You can select a specific event to view it in isolation. For example, let's say you want to view to mark a job event to see how you were doing during the day, during the week. Maybe to view that today you have spent much more time for this event than previously, and you haven't spent any time during some days. And another thing to say is when you disable an event, it will disappear from summary for individual day, and it will make it generally keeps this view cleaner by reducing space used by the extension. So this is basically it about useful features of this extension, and if you disable all the tags, all the events, you won't see any summary for a day. And also this extension works for a custom view. The requirement is to have day columns. It won't work on a month view or any other view that doesn't have day columns in it. So for now that's it about the extension.